Do you also want to know the secret of my glowing skin? Then here is the secret. Moonstar Professional Milkshake Facial Kit infused with niacinamide. It comes with a 9-step routine and the packaging is so cute. Starting with the first step, that is cleanser. With this, I'm cleansing darts from my face. Step 2 comes with a glow face pack and it feels so better on my skin. Just wait for 10 minutes and rinse it off. Step 3 is a face scrub which will deeply cleanse your skin. After using the scrub, here is the step 4, that is a massage cream. I gently massage my skin with this hydrating massage cream. My skin is feeling so soft. Now the step 5, which is a face serum. It's so hydrating. After using the serum, here is the step 6 and the step 7, which is Algae Mask. It's a peel-off mask. Mixing Algae Mask Powder with Algae Mask Gel. After wait for 10 minutes, it will come out so nicely. And just look at the glow. Now I'm using the 8th step, that is Hydro Boosting Pack. I just applied it and wait for 10 minutes. And rinse it off. Just look at the glow. I finished it off with the last step, that is SPF 50+. That will protect your skin. I will highly recommend this facial kit to everyone. Grab yours.